هل لك سر عند الله بينك أنت وبين الله؟ هل لك صدقات تخفى لا يعلمها إلا الله؟
Been doing this for about 22 years, and I've worked many droughts in this region, and I've never broken down and cried on site or in a displacement camp, and I broke down every single visit.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the beneficent. Alhamdulillah, praise Allah that Sufilive, in concert with International Relief Foundation, has recently completed 2 food distributions in Somalia. As Somalia enters a 5th season of complete drought, over 7 million people have been displaced, having lost all their livestock in the pitiless drought. With only light tents to shelter them from intense heat, young and old are in desperate need. Your $10 gift feeds one person for a month, while $45 feeds a family. $450 feeds 10 families. As the month of the Prophet's birth dawns, dig deep in your pockets and show the most merciful how the compassion of our Master Muhammad, upon him be God's peace and blessings, has entered your heart.